Testele ten secretary divine guidance la people la kasushu ani tanda ye reading di kerangi lota tulimba ina di reading di kerangi chidre kerangi chidu chinda ke pa August di kandi chungidu di ko la yira. Okay, ani if you want to watch in Tibetan language, then your time stamp will be in the description, so check out there. Okay, ani kalaure kirangi chidu reading ta August chidu reading re ani kirangi tambunga kachi current energy. Okay, ani kirang la kalaure upcoming energy ani kirangi health ani kirangi relationship ani kirangi career ani kirang la big blessings. Okay, kirang la blessings sum tamba kare tinana August nala ani tambu kachi lana kirangi current energy kiran so ikade do chi do odi check chi ni ra andi chi ni kalaure. Oh, current energy, Eight of Swords. Kandido chi tu lana kiran so ra chok tam jeni dam shara danga kandis ma dengore danga ta edu cha kharso lai cha situation la ta ti du chu dinanga edu cha kharso lai cha o teni ro chi feel chi me do sam chi du kiran so ge energy on teni ro yana di samlo yu to ne la da ta nga ta duen sa gor min du nga ta ande du cha kharso lai cha da relationship dinala ande du cha kharso lai cha yana nga le ka chesa dila edu cha kharso nga business dila khepsang ge me ine nga ande du cha kharso lai cha o de khar de ge ro chi ya da khala ore samlo yu to ne pe du cha khar situation gi pe kora ga ne kran nyang de ge khar zim ta tam sha ge ro chi me da ande 무수도 보도 된디로 지 차데 메도스 카시지 치도니 양믹디스 나니 퀄리티 디 서레 삼삼치기 안두라 데데 탈라르 믹레 디스 젠도 티메도 삼삼치 텐데 두 커런트 에너지 레다 케난 조아치라 졸로다 소 아니 칼라오레 케난 졸라 energy liye two pentacles li dura an kiran so la yang khali dura na life la balancing li dura ani kiran so gi da pato life la balance to ge che ma to da dia che o do mangbu du chi samlo tang ine ge che ma to la de gyo aina ta kiran so august ki dawa dina la kiran so gi kari khang sam ta pe balance ya po sui thu ye jo kiran so life la ra nga dia chi la mangbu chi ra this balance ya po sui thu ya do chi chance to gi dura ani kiran so khashi chi ni travel che ra suggestion ba indele thoya august dina la ra chip to liya de ingirera yang kashi chi chiduni yang kiranzu gi leka tra the side hustle do le the leka sawa and go to get to dang ra leka ning badi chan sawa ko che da yang gonglo ke badi zo ina yang so tanda pa leka pe kali gya de na dang atis chi da meditation chi dang so ta chi yora dang le simba ki us chi su bu de u thangbo su gi yi la de yo da trading ga la samlo tang ge o de de samlo niwa chi korea ra na o de de energy kenan zo tsala chu yung gi du la ni shwe yi. Okay, ani kenan zo ach kala ore health o de ulta konda la seven of wands leader an kiran so ge health kan la kiran so ge action ye ya ko lingi do mama health kan ta samlo tang go mindu loda khanda bodon ye khaju reading chi changma je health kan la action ye ya ko changma health conscious ye sar ya pe ya ko re good ya ngonne ra da zo mi se na la health la di menat sa mare rashi bakari da khari yenere menere health la di menat sa da di kiran so action pe ya ko lingi do tangala di pya po pengi dunga di sagi la jo di nyu do di sagi me la jo ta tende chi subu trading khala nga tende samlo tangi activity tende lingi la jo so pa ta ya po chi yora da so da nga rangi health kala samlo mata na sui tangri la jo o tende do kiran zura pe health kala samlo shuk chimbo ya po tang tu da kiran zura pe ya po decision ya po pe len tu do kiran zo health pe ya po cha re shani kanye do da health kala chi kanye do the di yo ina yang Kenanzo kalore mean this piapo said or the dried in piapo land or the old in the chini pe supu yapu sere kenanzo ra fruitful ra agaski dawa chinte ke wadi piapo kenanzo health hangsa yapu suitu du kenanzo ra nipa du ngazo samsa manga tende health kala serious lingi samne lin ma to nikaliti do old in my bachin lin tongi chai du ya on the do health kala piapo du lan share. Okay, and kenanzo ka chi kalore relationship ra. Okay, then you cut some and ka chin ligir ale arangi lendang de da. Okay, sorry ani khala ore kiranzo achi relationship la kiranzo la pe peaceful tanda ba kiranzo this kangi shu chimbote relationship la dia madi pa ya madi yang de nyokta nyokjing do da mampu chi ra de chewa kan la shu chimbo nyokta do thodi gyo yang chewa ke mi baro la macham chi kangi do de phama pingya baro macham kangi do the de to chi do di gyo ina re da Chida gyawa nala shide du shide ya shide pe simla lulu shide samshe pazo family relationship nala pazo samshe ra suyang samshe payang samshe ra ani relationship yagre joya things sabre joya o dinde chodu nikira khachiri pe lulu chaichme susu ni kyu shurya pe simla shide topya sangma balance pe yakpo suitu gya o dinde ra. Okay, relationship bi apo chagi du kiran zo simdi min du ra pe shi de kiran khang tar kiran ra kanye to chi ne din ma thu ani kiran pe le to cha ni ki ushur ya shi me pe shi de sim le sem ki u na ni ki ushur gira o tere ro okay an kiran zo chi career khang la khari du la na kiran zo career la ra ya sawa chi ra o tende che do okay da nya chi lo de du ra na un ro cha sa ani khala re kiran zo career khang sawa chi go okay tende chi che du thu yo nga tende che la nga ing du dai so so ga passion yuge chira ma nga tendela passion do danda pado ni tele chedi da di passion do so so la chik ni sare ra kiranzo career thole na tele passion so so khare la indu de ha go ya cho an passion follow che cho o tele do career khana o de tu du ya kiranzo yana idea sawa chi ra cho o ta nga danda pado nga di chedi tan chemani nga tele chi chi da la idea sawa ra ya o tele do chi tu du okay I kiranzo ach blessings tangbo di swords leidura five of swords leidura blessings tangbo di in kira so ra tanda pato nga ngarang chiku lega chi du so gen ke so chi di yo na kira so la team work che ra yana family pingya de zonyam do nyam rok che ne lega che do dang ra khonzo nyam do discuss che do da kira ngi yana kira ngi to topu thomo den nyam do discuss che do da khang tra kira ngi da team work che o de ra kare do chi kira ngi planning chi yo yine di khang la team work che o de do chi du okay all the blessings chigli du kira la team ta kantra mini mambo nyamrup chine le ka che gi blessings chigli du lan share okay ani kira zo la page of cups li du de kira zo good news li du kira zo good news li du ra de idea sa wach la ragi du la sa career ka lo di chipa chik sang de kira zo good news li du kira zo dressing sense painting jimu chage du glo de sing jimu so this ning jimu do swing to do da ani kira zo khare du chi lega do chi khare che usam ne je to ga do da ani kira zo khare du chi result la good ne o the result pe positive so chola su yungya to da good news opportunity do ra so so o thinde do chi blessings kiran zo chala chu yu do la ni shwe okay han kiran zo gi blessings sumba khari do la na judgment ra blessing sumba koncho rangi dok nangi du ra kiran zo sula deba chi gyu ne on de la melam kya bon de la ichi deba kala same thing ne deba ichi dangnan che dara o digi kira la dog nangi du lamdo nangi du kira khare jaga done mena mo de gyap ni chik jaga thodi madubi and game indu tadi thubi che du kira ngi so nambi la ma idam konju sum sula melam kyagi ye no de la kira ngi same searching ni ra pe same thing ichi chin melam kya dara an kira ngi lega maduba and ge kuch mindu okay kira nzola pe yakpo du la ni shwe ye ani kira nzo chirtane tawadi pe yakpo du Agas kyong mindu sangma danda bado nyegi kazu reading chi sangma gi chi du pe positive card le so ra kerangi da current energy kiranzo ti chi lo du ine ge simti mindu yapo pe chagi du ya yapo pe chagi du simti ko mindu so gi ko action pe abo len tu du ra kiranzo yak taje chi du health kala yak taje chi du relationship la ni peaceful du ra respect du ra peace du ra ani legal ani kiranzo passion ni du ta dile has kare go blessings la ni teamwork ligi du good news ligi du good opportunity lidu controla deba chena kyona gilaga khare chaga toni madu and game indu okay dange koni ya repeat chesra a repetition to this monk tagidu la ningala lir taya complain ya ani okay dange dagam shik la sam shagi yira ani kiran la message te painting ji murai prewa ye kiran so yita last time ye reading chigeni kare feeling do so la kare chu yor di samang ala comment section la share che danga lo e kaudu go you chungi du la share okay ani kiran so ge dung de la kada channel la subscribe okay ani nyurdu che yong. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is snake, then this video is for you and I will try my best to explain in English. So many requests I have received saying that please speak in English so we want to understand and you guys don't understand Tibetan. So I try my best to explain. Okay, so I hope you understand my speaking. So first of all, so this is your reading about August. What is happening in August for you? Okay, so First, I'm going to do is your current energy. I'm going to read your current energy, and then we are going to do your health, your relationship, your career, and then your three big blessings for you in August. Okay. So first, your current energy is Eight of Swords. So it says you are feeling like I'm stuck in a relationship. This can be in a relationship. This can be in career. This can be anywhere. Okay, so you might be feeling like I'm stuck. I want to do something, but it's not happening, and I'm stuck here. You must be feeling like that. Okay, so your current energy seems like that, or you are going through some difficulties on your eyes. Okay, so there is some pain around your eyes. This can also happening for you right now. So this can be in your mental, like you are going through some difficulties from mental, or your surroundings is difficult, or this can be anything. Okay, so you are going through some difficulties. I can see that because Eight of Swords is coming, so you are stuck. You are feeling like that. Okay, but the energy coming your way is Two of Pentacles. So this card says you are going to have a balance in your life, in your career, in relationship, or in this can be in anywhere. This can be in your health. You are going to bring very balancing diet, balance in career, balance in relationship. Okay, so you can also go for some short trip. Okay, so this can also happen for you. This energy is coming your way. You are going to have a side hustle as well. Okay, so this can also happen in August. Okay, so about your health, you are taking stand for your health, you are taking action for your health, you are taking better diet for your health, and you are taking some activities for your health, and you are feeling like I have to take care of my health. So you're very becoming very health conscious person in this August month, or you might be already very health conscious, but still you are going to go continuously. Okay, you are going to be very healthy in August, and you are going to take lots of actions towards your health. And about your relationship, if you are going through some difficulties in relationship, you are going through some conflicts, or this can be anything in a relationship, in August month you will feel more peaceful, more respectful towards your partner, towards your parents, and you will feel more peaceful, more understanding towards your relationships. Okay, so you are going to be very peaceful in August month for your relationships, and you'll feel very satisfied, and you're going to sleep very well in this August month for your relationship. Okay, so if you are peaceful, then you can sleep very well, right? So for relationship it's coming very good, and for your career you're going to find your passion. Okay, so you will feel like, oh my god, this was my passion, and till now I was doing you must be doing something else, but then in August you will feel like, oh, this is not my passion, my passion is this, and you are going to follow your passion. That can also happen for you, or you are going to get some new project, or you are going to change your subject, and you will find your favorite subject in this August month. Okay, and for your blessings, first of all, you are going to blessed with teamwork. Okay, so if you are always working alone or studying alone, then in this August month you will work with a team, and that's going to be very successful, and you are going to be very satisfied with your work, with your study, with your anything, whatever you do. Okay, and second blessing is if you are waiting for something, then the result is coming with a good news. Okay, so the result is going to be very good. You are going to be very happy with the result, or your fashion sense are going to change, and you are going to be more fashionable person, or you are waiting for some opportunities, then there is opportunity, very good opportunity coming your way. Okay, so in August month this is your second blessing. Okay, and you are going to gain lots of experience in life. Okay, this August month. And the third blessing is you are guided by higher power. Whoever you believe, you have to ask that higher power whatever you want. Okay, so that the higher power will guide you to success in your life. Okay, so whatever you want, you can ask to the higher power, whoever you believe, you have to ask, and then you will receive the blessings. Okay, So three blessings are very beautiful, and in August month I can see you doing very well in all, all your relationship, your career, your health, everything. You're going to do very good in everything. And right now you're little bit stuck in between, okay, but still that's going to be good in this August month. So everything is so good. I hope you get your messages very well, and like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.